Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. If you have ever considered wearing around your favorite super soft blanket, well then you have to check out this RUMIA fashion shirt because it is so soft you're not going to want to take it off. The fabric is unreal. It's one of those shirts that you put on and you immediately feel relaxed. It comes brand new but feels like it's already been lived in because it's got that perfect worn-in feeling. You know the one I'm talking about. Your favorite old t-shirt is about to get replaced. I really love the versatility of this shirt because you can wear it with anything. It's that perfect thickness to where it's not something that you can't layer, but you can also just wear it around and be completely comfortable, whether it's cold or even on those cooler summer nights. I got this size small and I'm 5'4" and about 130 pounds. It fits me well. It drapes really nicely and doesn't lose its shape. It somehow manages to feel cozy without looking sloppy, and that's probably my favorite part about this shirt. You are gonna love it too. Make sure you buy two, and that's my point of view.